EOS is my dark horse altcoin that is holding up 25% of my cryptocurrency portfolio. It has huge plans for the future with the $10 billion Block 1 exchange, and I believe it can be the new Binance and get into that top 10, top 5 crypto spot by market cap in the world. Hey guys, welcome back to another cryptocurrency video. Today we upload cryptocurrency videos every single day, ranging from the latest altcoin news to fundamental and technical analysis here at the Bitcoiner. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing. It's free. You can always unsubscribe and it takes like 2 seconds. And if you find any help or value in this video at all, please let me know with a like or a comment, as these videos are completely free to make and it really does support me when I see likes and comments. Alright, let's get right into this video. So guys, coming to a quick price report for the EOS token, let's have a look. We are 2.75% up in the last 24 hours, which is nice to see, with a high of $4.77 and a low of $4.59. If we look at the overall price trend for the last 7 days when this loads, we can see that we have just broken through this red and we are in the green for the later part of this week. This is good to see, but it's pretty standard relative to the rest of the market, as most of the other cryptocurrencies are following the trajectory of Ethereum and Bitcoin right now, because they have been exploding right now, but they did have a little bit of a dip, and that's what this red area is from earlier this week, but they have gone back up a few percentages over the last 4 days, and that's what this green is looking like. We're going to have a rough look at this trading view of EOS and Tether USD, just to have a look if there's any specific patterns and if any bullish or bearish continuations are likely. So yeah, zooming into the 1 month view, we can see that we have gone down in these like staggering points, and we're at the top of one of those staggering points and we have leveled out there, meaning we are probably going to plateau for a little bit for the next few days, and we may only see like 2% gains and 2% losses, give or take 1% or something. The price may stay steady for a little bit longer until there is some more significant news coming out for the short term of the EOS token. And guys, this is a good reminder to tell you guys that I'm not a financial advisor. These videos are not financial advice. And if you want to invest in cryptocurrency yourself, make sure to invest from your own research, and these videos are just made for entertainment purposes. Anyway, continuing on to the overview of the news today. EOS is about to devour the market, as this Reddit post has said by Where Is My Number Reddit user. As you guys know, Block 1 is the creator of EOS, meaning it's got a similar relationship like Binance does to the BNB coin, because Block 1 is built on the EOS IO blockchain, meaning when this Block 1 exchange comes out with its $10 billion in funding, as you can see right here, EOS will be the main token that is traded on that exchange, and it will be hugely exposed to so many new buyers, users, crypto fans, and everything. It will indefinitely skyrocket, and that's why I'm investing so much of my portfolio into it right now. Anyway, if you don't know exactly what Block 1 is, I'm going to read out this little segment just for you, and if you do know, skip ahead into the video where I get into how EOS is going to be affected by this and what it means for my price predictions of EOS. Block 1 is an asset holding and investment company that creates, incubates, and invests in businesses that build a trust in transactions, transparency in systems, and efficiency in how our world works. Through strategic capital allocation and pioneering business ventures, Block 1 has funded for more than 100 innovative entrepreneurs today. Block 1 group companies Bullish and Voice are empowering people to architect integrity across the financial service industry and social media ecosystem. Block 1 is also the creator of EOS.io, and that's what we're talking about in this video, a highly performative open source blockchain software built to support and operate safe, compliant, and predictable digital infrastructure. And that's what makes EOS different to Ethereum, because it constantly gets compared with Ethereum, and Ethereum is a bit more popular than EOS, so people don't think it can get out under that shadow of Ethereum. But EOS is actually different because it is a public blockchain. It is the world's largest public blockchain with over 300,000 users worldwide right here, as you can see on their Reddit. Also, EOS is much faster than Ethereum, holding almost 500 times the speed per transaction as Ethereum. So what does this relationship with Block 1 mean for the EOS token in the future and its price for the future? Here's a little bit more of how this actually works and what it means in more detail. Make sure to read this for yourself if you want. I'm going to read it out to you, but if you don't want me to read it out to you and you already know what's happening, just skip ahead to my price predictions. I've left it in the timestamps below. Before the end of 2021, EOS will host the largest crypto exchange on the planet, will be the only place for Wall Street and large corporations to purchase cryptocurrencies due to their international regulations and how transactions must be conducted. They have 164,000 Bitcoin and 20 million EOS for liquidity. Couple that with the fact that Bullish will not be a host of any stable coins, instead opting for either fiat pairs or blue chip crypto pairs. I know this because I had access to a short trial a while ago. The safety of exchange is also worthy of note. The 2FA is far more advanced than what was offered by other exchanges. There is more I could add, but I don't have much time to write all this out. So that's basically what he's saying. But this is huge, guys, because he is basically saying that EOS and the Block 1 exchange will replace Binance for where you can buy cryptocurrencies on Wall Street, because as I said right there, it is the only place to buy cryptocurrencies on Wall Street will be on this new exchange. That EOS will be the main token for 20 million of liquidity. So 20 million EOS of liquidity. So what does that mean? So 20 million times however much EOS is right now. So that's around like $100 million in liquidity just for this exchange that is coming out. So yeah, EOS is looking very good. Very, very, very good. And I'm super happy that I'm holding it. So coming to my price predictions for this coin from all the recent fundamental and technical analysis that I've been doing in this video and in my own free time, I think EOS is really looking good for 200x gains and could potentially get into that top 5 mark and could maybe even, this is very unconservative, maybe even push out Binance and replace Binance for the biggest crypto exchange in the world. Yeah, it will be the main currency for that exchange with, as I said, 20 million EOS in liquidity. So what does this mean? 100x gain should probably take it into like $400 per token. I'm thinking around $400 to $500 per token. These are 100x gains. These are unconservative, but this is just my opinion, and I'm very, very bullish for this company. Super, super bullish. Like, that's why it's holding so much in my portfolio. So yeah, guys, I've kept it quick today. I just wanted to show you all about Block 1 and how it's doing things with EOS and its similarities to Binance and the BNB coin and how it could potentially take over the BNB coin. But yeah, so thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe if you found any value or help in this video at all. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye.